How's that revolution looking for you? Huh? You know what the slogan of the Syrian revolution was? Who knows what the slogan was? Huh? Sha'b Suri ma bandhal. The Syrian people will not be humiliated. That was their slogan. They're all shouting it in the streets. Now, all these poor innocent people are begging non-Muslims to let them into their countries. They're fleeing across the ocean in boats. Allah can humiliate whomever He pleases. Man ahana sultan, ahanahu Allah. If you humiliate a ruler, God will humiliate you. That's a hadith in Tirmidhi. If you humiliate a ruler, God will humiliate you. Why? Because the Prophet said, Al-mu'minu la yudhillu nafsahu. The believer does not humiliate himself. Ahmad Zarruq said, when he attacks a ruler and he's not capable of doing it. In other words, they have power, you don't have power. If you attack them, you humiliate yourself. You have humiliated. You can blame the ruler all you want. The guy is a bad guy. I'm no fan of that man. I'm no fan of the rulers there. Saddam, I was no fan of Saddam. But now we see the wisdom of why these people were in those places. Because the Iraqis now, Muhammad al-Mahdi, who tore down that statue, was saying he wants to put the statue back up. Right? Zainab al-Kanzi, a Kurdish Iraqi, said, now I see the wisdom that God had in having that horrible man as our ruler. Because you take him away and you look what... Because we're not ready. We're not ready. We don't have civil society. We can't even wait in line for buses. And this is not because Muslims are inferior to non-Muslims. It's not. It's just circumstances. We've been moribund for a long time. We've lost a lot of wisdoms that we had. We have terrible treatment of our women. We don't raise our children properly. We have horrible school systems. We have widespread corruption. These are all the realities of the Muslim world. What did the Prophet say? وَلَكِنَّكُمْ غُثَاءٌ كَغُثَاءِ السَّيْلِ. You're fluff. That's how He described us. So how do we change that situation? It's all there. But no, this is just quietism. This is what the Sufis say. Just worry about yourself. Don't worry about anybody else. What does Allah say? Ya ayyuhal ladhina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum naran. Save yourselves. Because you can't save anybody else if you haven't saved yourself.